Vincent Productions.
Residing from Katipunan and Timpuyog.
Katipunan Treasure and yes.
He's holding all the money.
Yes.
2 clubs.
This guy is so talented that he can check his phone while he records us, and that is just multitasking right there. Very productive.
Probably
Very
texting his sugar mama.
Sugar
Back
mama.
in Pilipinas.
Sugar mama. She's from the Philippines. Vincent, is she from the Philippines? Wow. Are you petitioning her over here? Alright.
Yeah.
So were you there for the summer? Alright.
Wow.
Wow.
Tell us more. Tell us more.
Tell us
Tell us
more.
more, please, Vincent.
Vincent, what is her name?
Janelle.
Oh,
Janelle.
Janelle.
Janelle. Let's sing a song to Janelle.
Janelle. Janelle.
Janelle from the Philippines. Janelle.
You can be Vincent. I'll be.
Okay. I'll be Vincent. Okay.
do it,
All right.
do it,
It's
do
called Leaving on a Jet Plane.
Okay.
All right. I'm so sorry. All right. We'll talk about prior to that event. Okay.
No, you can't.
All right.
Sound like this.
Okay. I met a girl in the Philippines.
Her name was Janelle.
She had long black hair and very tight jeans.
She looked like my teddy bear.
I approached her at the bar.
Hey baby, what's your name?
She put me down by rejecting me.
Hell no, you ugly, son.
I showed her my Hawaii driver's license card.
Oh, you have car.
From Hawaii. You wanna come to Hawaii? Let's make babies tonight. Come to my, oh my, hotel room, 459. Let's get it on. Make some babies. Get married.
Green card comes in 2 weeks. So happy I get to be
In Hawaii. In Hawaii.
with my baby, baby.
I got a baby on the way.
Who's this?
What's her name gonna be?
I don't know.
Don't know if it's a girl, if it's a boy, but you know what?
We'll maybe call him James.
James, if it's a boy.
James, if it's a girl.
James goes both ways.
Because James sounds like James from far away.
James, oh James, my name is James. His name is James.
What about Justin?
Justin.
Justin, if it's a boy.
And James, it's a girl. Justin, it's a boy.
James, if it's a girl. John Henry, if they're good in music.
John Henry, if they can play music.
John Henry, if you get girls.
Girls from Venus.
Oh, those girls.
Young girls.
By the way, I'm 28.
And you're what, 18?
Right on.
Okay, to do that, because she's illegal now.
Legal, no jail bait.
No jail bait. All right. So we know how they met. Now, we know that he also has been there for a month or 2
Or 3.
or 3. So what did they do?
They did. What is that?
What is that?
Nate?
Nate.
Excuse me.
He exploded in her.
Hey. Whoa.
Sorry.
We're talking about pimples. We're talking about pimples.
Yes.
We're talking about pimples.
Okay, all right. Well, basically,
I could be a
the
dermatologist, that's
the
why.
next day they met up again. They walked on. Where's my ukulele?
Oh, I'm waiting.
They walked on the beach.
It's getting nasty.
It's a new one now.
You got a new beat? All right, let's do it. Janelle, you are so beautiful to me.
I love your hair. Reminds me of a tree. Willow. But never mind that tree. Janelle, you look so beautiful to me.
Oh, purple pa.
You make me wanna go home and pee.
Cause you make me so excited.
So excited to be
With you, Janelle. No, check this. I used to need you like the moon needs the star. I used to think you never will be apart. But you stay in the Philippines now. You gotta come here, holy cow. You gotta come to UH now. But you can't cause the other convention, Aerosmith. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Janelle, Janelle, you look so beautiful to me.
Your hair reminds me of the willow tree.